Hi, in today's video I'm going to be cooking porridge water yam known as Akwa. I don't know if I got the name rightly. So what you need is water yam. I'm going to quickly peel off the yam and then grater it. This food is very popular in Cross River State, Calabar, and some parts of Ebere. Water yam is a different species of yam. It tastes similar like the common white yam we eat, and it has sleepy texture when peeled. So once I'm done peeling the yam, I'm going to wash it neatly and then grater it. I have to say, I really love eating ekpang. It is a one-pot meal that just melts into your mouth and it tastes heavenly delicious. I so much love Nigerian local dishes. I have now moved from cooking rice and stew to having different varieties every week. Anyway, this is not the first time for me making this dish. It has always been my favorite food. So once I'm done washing the yam, it is time for me to grate the yam. Some people, after grating the yam like this, they'll still blend it. So I don't see any reason for you blending the water yam again. Just grater it and it's fine. And while you are using the grater to grater the water yam, be mindful of your hands so that you won't get injured at the process. So once I'm done, this is how it looks. Next, I'm going to add oil at the bottom of the pot. The reason why I'm doing this, I don't want it to stick at the bottom of the pot. So I'm using vegetable leaf, popularly known as ugu. You can also use green leaf, cocoyam leaf, whichever vegetable leaf you have. So I'm going to cut it bit by bit, wrap it with the leaf, and then place it at the pot. So this part is a little bit hard. So you just get your chair, sit down, and then do it gently. So I'll show you again, and then I'll do. You can prepare this meal without wrapping it the way I'm doing now. I think that one is very simple. On my next video, I'm going to show you all how to prepare this meal without wrapping it with vegetable leaf. So once I'm done doing it, this is how it looks. Next, I'm going to add my ingredients on it. I'm adding the leftover leaf because I don't want to waste any. For you to enjoy this recipe, you may need to add as many protein as you possibly can to enrich it. So guys, I didn't go for shopping for this. I'm using what I have at home. I'm just using fish. One good thing about this recipe, no matter what you use to prepare it, it will still come out nice. Next, I'm adding warm water on it. So once I'm done, I'll cover it for it to boil. So guys, this is how it looks. I'm just going to turn it, and then that is it. Do you know you can also use cocoyam or banana to prepare this meal and it will still come out nice? On my next video, I'm going to be using cocoyam to prepare it. Alright guys, this is how it looks. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up, leave good comments, and share. If you're new to my channel, welcome. See you guys on my next video. Bye.